Okay, we're out here at Stono Preserve, and we're actually going to be mapping out here in the marsh. We're going to look at some of the features. We're going to take a look at where the water is standing right now. It's a little after high tide, I believe, and so we're going to be taking a look at some of that. I'll try to get the drone launched here. We can start it up, and she's pretty quick.
Will it just turn off?
Yep, just set it down on the ground. There you go, it'll drop right on it. Push it on down, just let it go. There you go, now push both of them down into the middle. Oh, there you go.